Today we're going to be talking about Shiba Inu Coin and the upcoming Robinhood listing. Let's get into today's video. Hi everyone, my name is Zach and welcome back to Finance Bro. Before we get into the video, I'd like to ask you guys to please comment how many Shiba Inu coins you have in the comment section down below, as we're trying to see how strong the Shiba Inu coin army is. Also leave a like and subscribe as it really helps with the growth of the channel. And also if you guys are interested in getting some free Shiba Inu coin, then go ahead and use the first link in the description to get signed up with Public, the social investing app. When you deposit $1 on the platform, you're going to get up to $70 worth of free stock, and which you can then sell, and then you can invest all of that stock into Shib. So if you guys want to do that, use that first link in the description. Without any further ado, let's get into our crypto for today, which is going to be Shiba Inu Coin. So here we are on public.com, and we can see that Shiba Inu Coin obviously had a terrible day. If you guys want a full breakdown on when the exact point happened, when we broke that support we have been talking about for so long now, you guys can go ahead and watch the live stream from yesterday. It should be the last video on our channel. Sadly, we were there to see that break, and I went over all my thoughts there, and we'll talk about it a little bit in this video, but I just wanted to let you guys know there's a full breakdown of my real-time thoughts on that live stream. Anyways, obviously we're down 13%. However, we do have catalysts in the future that lead me to believe we'll get back to all-time highs in no time, so I'm still very, very bullish if you guys were wondering. Alright, going into stock twits, this whole negative kind of pressure today has thrust us back to the second most active crypto or stock on the day, right behind Ocugen, but above any other cryptocurrency. Also, we are the sixth most added to watch lists, which brings us to, I believe, 135,000 people that are watching us. So stock twits looking okay. And then when we search up Shiba Inu right here, obviously the social volume is higher now, but it's about a lot of people talking about Shiba Inu Coin and what's going on right now. And I mean, we're still green for the most part, but now we're starting to see some more red on here, sadly. But all it's going to take is one catalyst to take us to the next level. But anyways, I want to talk about the Robinhood listing, the kind of news that just came out. So on Instagram today, basically Robinhood was teasing Shiba Inu Coin, and you can see here that they brought up Shib in one of their Instagram polls. They said a cryptocurrency is only as strong as its community, Elon Musk wants it to be, and then the number of Shib comments. Now, this is kind of referring to the fact that the Shib army, or all of us, like to spam any Robinhood post they make on Twitter and Instagram. But yeah, I mean, obviously, they also made another thing where they kind of explained this because it's hashtag Robinhood Learn. But this is basically setting up Robinhood listing Shiba Inu Coin, in my opinion. Now, Shiba Inu News also has this, basically saying that Robinhood is hyping up their upcoming listing by making different Twitter polls about like kind of cryptic stuff. So you either think it's too late to ask, or someone you didn't ask has tried to explain it to you what is crypto. So they're basically trying to be active on Twitter, so that when they do list Shiba Inu Coin, they will have a bit of momentum. We like to do this on different social medias. We like to kind of like hype things up beforehand. We tell you about our NFT drop that is gonna obviously, or we kind of tease our NFT drop. We don't tell you exactly what's going to happen, but we're like, hey, we have an NFT thing coming up. By the way, we don't have an NFT thing coming up till at least December or January. We're spending a long time on our next one. But anyways, that has nothing to do with it, what we're talking about. Like Robinhood is basically taking the approach, they can't just like announce it in a Twitter and Instagram post. They kind of have to tease it beforehand, and that's what we think is going on right now. We think that they're putting out all these polls, this Instagram poll with Shib in it, to kind of warm us up so that we can kind of be warmed up to the idea, and then as soon as it hits Twitter and Instagram, every Shib army guy will just obviously blow the post up and get Robinhood a lot of traction that they desperately need. So that is kind of what I think is going on here, and what a lot of other people people think's going on here is basically they're trying to hype up the Shib release, which would be absolutely awesome. Now here we are on coinmarketcap.com, and obviously the global crypto market did okay today, only a 0.1% increase to 2.73 trillion. Bitcoin and Ethereum technically both down on the day, but not by much. You can see Shiba Inu Coin sitting at 11 now. We went behind USD Coin and then also Dogecoin. Sadly, I think we'll get right above both these two in a matter of a couple days, in my opinion, but we'll have to see. The one saving grace is that over the past 24 hours, the volume has gone back up 50%. As you can see here, the volume didn't really pick up when we made that initial drop. While it was kind of picking up, it wasn't picking up too much, but as soon as we made a recovery from those 53 levels, we have been seeing the volume start to pick up then. So we were at about 5.5 billion when we made that initial drop, so it's pretty much all sell volume. People were freaking out. Even in our stream, people were just freaking out and selling. And now, obviously, I think we found another support, but we're going to talk about that in the technical analysis in a second. The volume is starting to pick up now with a lot of people buying the dip, which is really good. So we see this volume back at almost 8 billion, which is exactly one of the good things that came out of today, is that the volume is picking back up and people are buying the dip. Now, when you come over here to TradingView, you can see we went over this in an earlier video, in our live stream yesterday, and obviously we talked about this support that we had at the 60 level and how it bounced off 4 times, but live during the live stream yesterday or today or yesterday if you're watching this video now, obviously this large candlestick broke our support line and we went into deep oversold territory on the RSI. However, we have made a new support line, I feel like, at the 54 level, which, if you guys don't remember, was our all-time high for a little bit, and obviously we came back down and we saw this support back at the 54 level. If you guys remember the bull flag that we initially drew, we saw it getting to about 54. So that is what I think is going to be the next support line, is 54. However, if we do see a break within the next day, obviously we could be seeing 50 or 48 like I was talking about in the live stream. You guys can see some more in-depth talking about this in the live stream if you guys are interested. But yeah, we until we break this support, I would say we probably do have this support at the 54 level. And obviously we saw that resistance at the all-time highs, so we're basically just trading in between here now. Hopefully we don't break this new support. If we do, I see us getting to about 50 or 48, and I don't see us going below that whatsoever. So if it does dip to 50 or 48, that's when I'm going to be buying a lot more than right now. Obviously I want to see if we're going to be able to hold this new support line at the 54. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have for Shiba Inu Coin today. Very light news right now, but hopefully we can get this Kraken listing. Hopefully by the time this video is posted, we have that Kraken listing. Hopefully we get a Robinhood listing soon. Obviously this is all speculation on Robinhood starting to gear up for a Shib release by kind of putting out some teasers. It could be a whole week of teasers, it could be a whole month of teasers. This could not be a teaser at all and them just commenting on something randomly. There's nothing about this video saying that Robinhood is confirmed. However, I do think that they are starting to tease us to kind of get us ready for this Shiba Inu Coin listing personally. That's just a personal opinion and speculation. But yeah, make sure you guys leave a like and subscribe on this video as it really helps with the growth of the channel. Make sure you guys comment how many Shiba Inu Coins you have down below. Make sure you get your free stock from Public. You can literally just deposit $1, you get up to $70 worth of free stock. You can sell that stock if you want and then invest into Shiba Inu Coin. Boom, you got some free Shiba Inu Coin. But yeah, that's pretty much going to be it for today. My name is Zach, and I hope to see you in the next video.